So how are the flying conditions today?
Pretty good. Speaking of weather, how's your science experiment coming?
Okay, for this project, I'm going to test different types of paper airplanes and see which one goes the farthest, the fastest, and stays together the best. Here I have postcard paper, this glossy photo paper, construction paper, a paper bag, and I'm going to try and use aluminum foil to make an airplane. I don't know if it'll go well or not, but it's worth a shot. So here we go. First, the postcard paper. Next is the construction paper plane. Next is the glossy paper photo paper. Next is the paper bag plane. We're gonna try the aluminum foil. I don't think this will work, but it's worth a shot. If I can get a plane out of it, I'll be happy. Or somewhat of a plane. I don't know what it's gonna turn out to look like. Okay, so this is what I got out of it. I don't know how well this is gonna fly, but like I said, it's somewhat of a plane. Maybe it'll fly for a couple of seconds, maybe not, but we'll have to try it. Looks a little lopsided from the top, and from the bottom. Okay, so I'm starting with the paper bag airplane. I'm expecting this to not go very far because it's really thin and light. Yeah.
There's a real airplane going overhead. Are you ready?
A tape measure all the way out there, and I believe it's 16 feet.
No, that's 10
6,
feet.
10, something.
I'm not sure.
Okay, but we're gonna record our results. We're gonna throw it, and wherever it lands, we'll go across and take that number and write it on the chart we made.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was actually pretty good. So directly across, here's the tip. Exactly 14 feet. Okay, we're gonna do 2 more takes to get more accurate results. So here's the second take. Alright. Okay, here's for the third trial. Trial 3. Goodness.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go. It was 2.5 seconds.
Alright. Construction paper plane. Trial 1.
2.3.
2.3 seconds. $13 feet, 4 inches. Okay, so the next one is the postcard paper plane. Trial 1. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's a kitty. It's a kitty, it's a kitty. Hi, buddy. So the next one is the photo paper plane.
Glossy photo paper.
Trial 1. Go. Oh. Alright, and the last one is the aluminum foil plane. this is the one that I'm not sure how it's gonna go. Like how far or how fast. So here's the last one. Aluminum foil trial 1. Oh, you disappoint me. And second, the goes all the way over to 7 feet 9 inches. We recorded all of this information on this piece of paper. So on trial 1, for all of them, was these. And then trial 2, trial 3.
So which one went the furthest in trial 1?
Well, the paper bag one.
And trial 2?
Trial 2 was the construction paper one, and trial 3 was also the construction paper one. So yeah, that's it.
So what have you concluded from your time trials?
Well, I concluded that some went further than others in less time, and some went a short distance in a short amount of time as well.
What do you think made the construction paper, why do you think the construction paper went the furthest?
I thought that the width of the paper was just enough to keep it going furthest.
Yeah. Which one was the heaviest plane?
Definitely the photo paper one.
Okay. And that one didn't go very far?
No.
Which one was the lightest plane?
Definitely the aluminum foil one.
Right, but that one also didn't go very far.
Correct.
So you need...
You need to find the middle.
Okay.
The middle. You can't go too light. You can't go too heavy. In the middle.
Did you make all the planes exactly the same?
Yes.
If you made one of the planes differently, like folded the wings differently, do you think you would have different results?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for this interview.
You're welcome.
This concludes this interview. Thank you.